Heidi guys, welcome to the vloggy vlog. Princess Brahmi here if you're new. So today is a beautiful Saturday. If you've been watching my vlogs, you know that I've been working on this crochet wig. I think I worked on this wig for like a week. Yeah, and I finally completed it. And then yesterday please excuse the noises, there's nothing I can do about that. But what I'm saying is yesterday I did some braids on it, and I dipped it in some hot water so that I can achieve like these beautiful curls. So I'm gonna put it on so you guys can see it, but pretty much I'm really impressed by the job. I think I did really good, if I do say so myself. So I'm gonna put it on, and I have my mirror over here so that I can see what I'm doing actually, because yeah, I need to see what I'm doing. Otherwise, I hope you guys are doing amazing. And oh my days, my dress keeps going down, keeps falling because I've lost some weight, which is good because I've been working out, guys. Yeah, so I'm really excited for my new body, because body tea, body champagne, period. Yeah, so I think, of course, these are bangs, but I have decided, I'm gonna wear it on the side. I don't want to wear bangs today because I don't want to cover up my brows, and my brows are looking good. The brows are tea, okay? So I am thinking maybe I should just like trim the ends a little bit so that it can can frame my face a little bit more. Oh my days, I don't know why I thought that this is a good idea to wear this, especially when I'm on camera, but it's because I love it. It's actually a sweater dress that I've worn it differently today. It's usually short, but today it's a little bit longer because I've worn it differently. I don't know how I'm gonna fix it, and it's cute. I love it. It's brown and it has like these details over here. I don't know if you can see, and also I can't see because I'm using my back camera to film. I can't see myself, but anyways, I'm thinking, should I cut or should I just leave it like this? What do you guys think? But I feel like the much that I cut, that's enough. I shouldn't do more, because if I do more, it's gonna get shorter and I'll probably regret it. So I don't know. Maybe I should just bring some of this hair to the front, like that. And I have like my pink glasses that I like to wear on my head, like so. That's just how I love to wear my glasses, like especially if I have like very beautiful eye makeup, like the wing eyeliner is eating. Okay, the plane is passing. Look at me, I look so good. I look so good. I just can't stop staring at myself. I look really good, and please ignore this. If you can see some smoke, it's because of this. Like I'm burning, what is this called? Mosquito coil, because of some flies in the house. Like, and I don't think it's helping, but maybe it's helping. Yeah, so that these flies can just stop bugging me, just cut them, because I don't think they're looking nice when they're like that. Yeah, that looks much better, honestly. Yeah, so you guys are going to just spend the day with me. I have some chores I need to do. Anyways, it's a beautiful day and I feel beautiful. I hope you guys are feeling beautiful. And honestly, I feel like with time I'll probably get better with styling this wig, but now this is the best that I can do. And that's the greatest thing about life. Like, we keep evolving, we keep learning each and every day. So you don't need to feel bad if you are where you don't want to be, because it's just a matter of time and you'll get to where you want to be. You get me? Yeah, this is how it looks. Let me show you the bark. And I love the fact that it's very light and airy, like it's not heavy, because honestly I don't want heavy hair on my head. I just want it to be as light as possible, and this is the vibe that I was going for. So tea. Yeah, anyways, let's get into the cleaning. You know, I'm cleaning and I'm looking like this. Whom's am I? Whom's am I?
If you said it, we believe it. If you said it, hey. If you said it, we believe it. A man of your word. If you said it, we believe it. Everybody rock like. A man if you said it, we believe it. Everybody rock like. Hold up. If you said, we believe it. If you said, we believe it. If you said, we believe it. If you said, we believe it.
3 hours later.
If you said, we believe it. If you said, we believe it. If you said, we believe it. If you said, it, we believe it. A man of your word. If you said it, we believe it. Everybody rock like. A man if you said it, we believe it. Everybody rock like. If you said it, we believe it.
You are not here. There's never been a moment you were forgotten. You are not hopeless. You have been broken, your innocence stolen. I hear you whisper underneath your breath. I hear your SOS, your send out an army to find you in the middle of the dark night. It's true, I will rescue you. There is no distance that cannot be covered.
Yeah. Big up to my brother, yeah. Yeah, yeah. It won't be another like you, no, no. To grow up in the same home as big fella was a gift in itself. I miss you, dog. Shout out to my lover, yeah. Yeah, yeah. The holder of my heart and my best friend. How I fooled you into marrying me was a miracle, no cap. people say that. Hey, look here, 2021 could've really dust my fire and stripped away every single dream and desire from me. But God had a plan from the start, I believe it for sure, for sure. In the midst of pain, I held on to my faith.
Tomorrow.
Okay, this is the next day, and right now I just wanna fold all these clothes that are behind me because they've been like that for like 2 days. And since now I have the time, that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, and first of all drink some water because I feel so hot. Yeah, so I'm gonna fold these clothes and then I am going to start editing this vlog because I need it to be up by today. I just hope that the internet connection is good, like the Wi-Fi is good. Yeah, so let's do this.
Million little miracles, million little miracles, million little miracles. Count your miracles, 1, 2, 3, 4. I can't even count them all. Million little miracles, yeah. A million little miracles, a million little miracles, yeah. Million little miracles, count your miracles, 1, 2, 3, 4. I can't even count them all. Yeah, I can't even count them all. I can't even.
I'm proud of you. Keep killing it. Keep doing your thing. There's no ceiling on, your growth. There's no ceiling on your prosperity. It's all in your mind. Whatever you say with your mouth, confess it, and that's that. And then work towards it and keep it moving. And anybody who don't fall in line falls back, and that's that.